here today in the village of Eakring, just north of Southall, and there aren't too many properties that can blend character and charm with modern day living. I'm Andy Taylor from Fine & Country, and I can't wait to show you around Old Church Farm. The property dates back to the 19th century and in recent times has benefited from a large two-storey extension by the current owners, providing flexible living for the entire family. Being a period property, there's a formal original entrance hallway, but the extension formed a new practical reception hallway which leads off the driveway. The reception hallway leads into this beautiful and spectacular living kitchen. The kitchen itself has a range of handmade cabinetry. We've got all the appliances you should need. We've got an extensive granite island that forms a raised bar. I love this Belfast sink. And then coming around to this side, the all important, we've got a wine rack and the wine fridge. The kitchen flows into a large, spacious dining and living area, and it has a spectacular large lantern roof. It also has underfloor heating, and there are two sets of French doors that lead out onto the garden. What a great space, whether it's hanging out as a family and relaxing or entertaining. Now, leaving the living, dining, kitchen back into the reception hallway, we have access to a utility boot room, guest cloakroom, the first of two staircases off to the first floor, and then this leads into this dining room, stroke garden room. It has French doors onto a patio. And we have this wonderful wood burning stove. There aren't many dining rooms that you can accommodate a table and happily sit in front of a stove in a very comfortable space. Being so central within the house, it's great as a family room, and I particularly like the aspect and the view towards the church. Leaving the dining room and moving to the front of the property is the original reception hallway, where there's an additional staircase off to the first floor and two good-sized traditional reception rooms positioned to the front aspect. To one side we have a lovely sitting room with stone fireplace and wood-burning stove, and to the other side the reception room is used for a dual purpose as a study stroke family room and a feature wooden fireplace with clear view wood-burning stove. Leading to the first floor, off the original reception hallway, there are two bedrooms, this bedroom benefiting from an ensuite, and then the staircase continues to the second floor, leading to two further bedrooms, again, one of them having an ensuite. A lovely surprise leading off the first floor landing is how the property connects to the extension, walking through this Jack and Jill bathroom with freestanding bath, lovely walk-through shower, a fantastic view towards the church, and then we're back onto a second landing with a staircase off to a further second floor bedroom, and then we lead into this principal bedroom. It's a fantastic room, there's a triple aspect, we've got a lovely focal point of this reclaimed fireplace, and then we go through a dressing room area and into an ensuite. And a true luxury feature of the principal bedroom ensuite is it has a slipper bath and a separate shower cubicle. I love the positioning of this second floor bedroom. It's got great privacy. It would make an ideal office space. This is truly a great family home, and from experience, children would love the flow of this staircase, which leads back into the reception hallway. As we go outside, we've got a large gravel driveway with gated entrance, and that provides access to the garage. Leading off the driveway, passing the tandem garage, we have a back door which leads to the utility in the boot room, and then this leads to the rear patio, and there's also the feature of this derelict former barn that has planning permission to convert into ancillary accommodation. Whether for an annex, a gym or a cinema room, the possibilities are endless with this building. It's perfect for somebody to put their own stamp on. Now, the gardens at Old Church Farm wrap around the entire property, extending to just over a third of an acre. Immediately to the rear, leading off the patio, is a lawn garden featuring a pond, a raised vegetable bed and a children's play area. And to the side of the property is a large paved patio area which leads off the dining room stroke garden room, and that connects to this lawn garden which wraps around to the front aspect. This garden will be enjoyed by the entire family throughout the whole day. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Old Church Farm. If you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a viewing, please get in touch with me on the details that follow.